Hello guys and welcome. I'm actually going to stream without my camera, okay, due to some technical issue. But before we go into looking at the charts, before we go into looking at trees, okay, and all of that, please let me know in the comment section if you can hear me loud and clear, okay? Let me know in the comment section if you can hear me loud and clear. But before we go into looking at trees, okay, the ones we took last night that we went live, all right? And then the ones we are going to take right now, before we go into taking any trade right now, guys, there are a few things I want you to take into consideration, because if you don't take note of managing your capital, all right, and all of that, then whatever we are doing here is of no use, all right, is of no use. Guys, use the chat section to let me know if I'm actually audible. If you can hear me, let me know in the chat. All right, so let's go ahead. How to actually manage, risks while trading cryptocurrency is what I want us to quickly look at before we proceed. All right. So there are a few tips, all right, that I've highlighted here for you. And number one is to understand money management. Guys, if you're in this business and you cannot manage your finances, then you are wasting your time. All right. If you're in this business, thank you so much, Ryan, for confirming that, right? If you're in this business of trading and you cannot manage your capital, all right, you are wasting your time, all right? You are wasting your time. Because if you come in, I know a lot of you might have heard how people, or maybe some of these persons who are flying Lamborghini, buying houses and all of that, due to the money they have made trading, okay? It actually took them a very long, time of, learning, unlearning and all of that before they got to that level. Some of you just come in because you have $100, you have $1,000, and then you just start taking signals without even knowing what you're doing. You cannot even manage that money you have very well. Once you lose that money, definitely this space will be very boring. If it is not a scam, it can be something else, and you go. The next thing is just for you to pack your load and go. Okay, so you must learn how to manage your capital very well. Okay, you must keep your emotions in check. You must keep your emotions in check. I always say here that trade what you see, not what you think. Okay, trade what you see, not what you think. And part of this are your emotions, right? You give a signal, and then somebody's you're seeing 20%, you're seeing $20, $30, and all of that. And somebody is asking you, should I still hold? Should I leave? Okay, and all of that. At times, fear and greed will make you lose a lot of money. So always make sure that you keep your emotions in check. You must have a set of rules that you have to follow. If it doesn't play out, all right, and all of that, there is no need of you jumping and rushing into trades and all of that. You will lose a lot of money. Okay. The third tip here is always use TP, all right, and SL. Always use stop loss and take profit in all of your trades. Always use stop loss and take profit in all of your trades. It's very, very important. All right. And then the next tip that I have here for you guys is, all right, understanding risk to reward ratio. I will show you this stuff when we go. I made a video already on this, on how to use the risk to reward ratio too. So you must understand your risk to reward ratio whenever you're looking at the chart, whether you're looking at it on the 5 minutes time frame, whatever time frame you're looking at, okay? Your risk to reward ratio, for me, most especially for day traders, what I advise is that a 1 to 3 can keep you, okay, profitable. Now, when you have a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 3, okay, and you take 10 trades, even if you have 7 of those trades as losing trade, you will still be in profit. That is the whole reason of that risk to reward ratio too. Okay, if you use the right risk to reward ratio too, you always be in profit. And then you need to develop a trading plan. Okay, you need to develop a trading plan, which is why I've said going forward, okay, starting from today, our trading challenge, I will post the stuff after this live stream, okay? Our trading challenge will be on a weekly basis. We do every week, okay? We'll look at the charts, which one we took, how many trades did we take, what are those trades that are winning trades, what are those trades that are losing trades, and all of that, okay? And then we'll be able to build a workable plan, trading plan from whatever activities we are going to carry out throughout the week. Then the next week we'll continue again. All right. And the last tip that I have here before we go into the chart is do not overtrade. Okay, do not overtrade. I have a lot of admins on the Telegram platform. I could send signals maybe up to 2-3 signals in a day. Okay, the other admin could send 2-3 signals in a day. Another admin will send 2-3 signals in a day, and all of that. In all of these, guys, you don't need to take every signal that you see on the platform. which is why in your trading plan, if you have a target, a daily target or whatever, if it is per trade, if it is 2 trades per day and all of that, stick to that. Okay, is either you hit your stop loss or you hit your TP, all right, or you even break even. So make sure that you stick to this rule. I will continue to remind you guys of this set of rules, all right, or these tips in managing your risk, in managing your capital and all of that. And as we stick to this, okay, it will definitely play out well, all right, our trading will go smoothly and all of that. Even when everything seems to be disappointing right now, the bull run and all of that, people are saying, oh, we need to get to 100K and all of that, but right now BTC is disappointing everybody, all right, by dumping hard. But as traders, what we need to do is just to trade what we see on the chart, right? What we need to do is to trade what we see on the chart, okay? So I'm jumping into the chart right now. There are a whole lot of activities currently lined up for today, economics activities that will affect the market in one way or the other, whether positively or negatively. Guys, before we jump into the chart right now, okay, make sure that you smash that like button, guys, okay? Smash that like button. That way we'll be able to, you know, YouTube will be able to actually expose this content to a whole lot of others who want to learn and the rest. Okay, smash that like button, and you can always use the chat section to let me know whatever coin that you're trading and you want us to look at. Okay, so if I jump into my chart right now, guys, there are a whole lot of activities, okay, lined up. Today is FOMC, all right, and all of that. So even with what BTC is doing right now, I don't want you to just wake up and then just jump into shorting or taking longs and all of that. We need to be careful. All right. If you're not scalping, if you're not going to be there to scalp for the next 1 hour, 2 hours or thereabout, there is no need of you taking trades and then going away, most especially if you know that you're going to take those trades without using stop losses. Okay. So today, these are the activities we have lined up. All right. And then we have orders for tomorrow and all of that. But today, I think FOMC is more important. And you can see the timing here for the FOMC meeting. That should be around 7:30 my own time, right? If you go to Forex Factory, it should give you the details according to your own time zone. Okay, so then when I come into this Bitcoin chart, this is the monthly performance of what BTC has been doing. Okay, you can see from 2013, all right, till the current year, which we are currently, which is 2014. Okay, so January we closed very bullish with 0.62%. Okay, in February it was actually the highest. We closed, the market with over 43%. All right, in March it was 16% plus. In April, guys, we are down by 14% plus. All right, 14.76%. So April closed, very bearish, which was what happened in 2022. All right, the same thing happened in 2021. But in 2020, we actually closed very bullish in April. All right. So May is starting very bearish, okay, with minus 6% already. Okay. And we are not even have we just started, right? We just started just a few hours into the month and we're already down by 6%. And this is what happened in 2023. Okay, in the whole of May, in the whole month of May, the market was down by 6.9%, right? But starting in 2024, we're already down by 6%. What will happen before we get to the end of the month? All right, you'll see a whole lot of sideways movement, okay? Market consolidating, moving up to liquidate people, going down to liquidate people, and all of that. Then it continues that sideways movement in this month of May, okay, going forward. Maybe by September, October, or thereabout, we'll start seeing a whole lot of bullish activities in the market. We don't know, okay? But we just need to follow suit and see what is happening in the market and what we can actually be trading. All right. So quickly, let us review some of the trades we took yesterday. Doge actually hit full TP. All right. So Dogecoin is actually cleared all of the TP's levels and all of that. For those of you who took this trade, this is a win for us. And I'm on the daily time frame. Okay. So for me to take the next step, whether I want to continue to short or I want to long, I will wait for today's activities to go on. Okay, if Doge actually breaks below this level of 0.12, okay, if Doge go below 12 cents, then it could be an opportunity for me to start shorting Doge again. And then my next target will be this area down here. All right, if I see an opportunity to enter another short trade for Doge, okay, we'll be targeting that level down there. All right, so we'll be targeting this level down there. All right. That's the level of 0.08 or 0.09. That's the level, the next level that we'll be targeting. Anything that will make Doge to drop to that level, then it means that BTC needs to go below 50K, right? It means BTC needs to go below 50K. So we are looking at another 30% dump again on Doge going forward. All right. So for now, I don't have any trade. The one we took, okay, is already in profit and all of that. I think the only trade that I'm holding right now is 𝗕𝗍𝘅. Let me quickly open 𝗕𝗍𝘅 and share with you what. Yeah, this is the only trade I'm currently holding. This is the only short trade that I'm currently holding. I'll let you know, road to taking profit is still very far, right? Okay. The journey to taking profit is still very far because our target is around that $20 level or thereabout. But let's see. All right, I'll continue to hold this coin until maybe the close of today. Let me see how today's candle closes actually. That would determine whether we'll continue to hold or we actually take profit somewhere and continue to go down. All right. So currently the market is up to our previous day low. Currently we are at that previous day low. Let me go to the 1 hour and see clearly what is happening here. Yeah, let's see what happened. Okay. Let's see what happened between the daily open, which is around that $34 level, down to that previous day low of $33 level. Let's see what happened, right? But if we do break out of this level here, then maybe I could start looking for an alternative to, short, to go long. I don't know yet, but right now I'm still holding on to this trade. Okay, I'm still holding on to this trade and all of that. Let's see what happened with this. Okay, another trade we actually took was BONK, right? I don't know how many of you are still holding on to BONK. So another one we took yesterday, which I told you I share with you guys, is BONK. Let's see what we have on BONK. Let me quickly go through the watch list because each time I search for this internet connection can be very frustrating. So let's see BONK, 𝗕𝗍𝗱𝗶. Let's see where is BONK. This is BONK. Whoa. Okay, so BONK is pushing up very fast. BONK is pushing up very fast. So if you are still in this trade, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. That daily open is what I'm interested in. Okay, BONK is pushing up very fast and all of that. But let's see what happened. Okay, I'm very patient with this, right? Most especially pending what the US could actually, the result of the FOMC meeting today and all of that. Let's see. Okay, guys. So just give me a moment. Now, what you can do for me is whatever coin that you want me to actually chat, all right, or whatever you're trading right now, you can go ahead and use the comment section and let me know. Okay, I have few coins that I want us to take trades on right now, but just 1 minute, I will go on with that. All right, guys. So thank you for being here with me. Let me see. Please, I have something very urgent right now that I need to attend to. Whoa, I don't know what's pushing BONK. What's pushing BONK? Why is it pushing up so fast. What's happening with bunk? What's happening with bunk? What's happening with bunk? Okay. All the memes are actually pushing up very fast. Memes are like, WIF, this was what I was looking at. Let me see, did my trade trigger? No, it did not. Almost there, right? Almost there, yeah, we're almost there. I was looking at this level of that 2.24. 2.24 was the area I was looking at, but we didn't actually, that trade did not trigger, yes. The trade did not trigger, but I'll still wait to see if that. I have a pending order right here, right? I have a pending order right here. As you can see, we are rejecting back, to that upside. But I'll just hope that this trade eventually triggers, right? I just hope that this trade eventually triggers and all of that. So basically, what you need to do right now, okay? What you need to do right now is to focus on scalping the market, all right? We just be scalping this ups and down that is happening in the market. That is the only thing we can, start making, which is why I have to go through that process of risk management and all of that to get a better understanding of that, right? You need to manage your capital very well. If you don't do, all right. And then for those of you who are building long-term portfolio, whenever this market drops, it's a good opportunity for you to start buying more, okay? When the market dips, you start buying. When the market dips, depending on the tokens you're looking at, all right? So if you don't manage your capital very well, you end up, losing the whole of your capital and you don't have money to trade the market again. All right. So few tokens that I was looking at, were actually Litecoin, okay, BNB, and the rest. But I'll chart those tokens, all right? I'll chart those tokens and then couple with some of these memes that I'm looking at. I'll chart them and then send the details, okay, whatever I'm looking at, I'll send all of those to you on Telegram, okay? If you're not on the Telegram, guys, go to the description of this video and join us on Telegram there. I'll chat them up and then send them to you on Telegram, okay? I have something to attend to right now, okay? It is actually urgent. My attention is needed for that, so I'm sorry, guys. I was thinking I would have had maybe the next 1 hour to ourselves, okay, looking at the chat together and all of that. All right, so some of the meme coins that are doing great right now, we will go ahead and look at the charts together, and then I will chat them up and then send the screenshot to you on Telegram so that you go ahead and take those trades. Okay, yeah, OP, Sadiq wants me to look at OP USDT. Let me see if I can quickly do that before I run. OP, I have emergency, right? I have emergency, so I need to attend to that. Very, very important, right? The market is always here for us, so we can always come back to the market and trade. But for now, I need to attend to this. It's very important. I'm sorry, guys. Don't worry, as we proceed, okay? I'll have workers so that if things like this happen, somebody else will just take over from where I stop, all right? Okay, and stuff like that. All right. So for OP, I don't know what. Okay. OP USDT. Let me do daily. Let me do the daily time frame and see what's happening here. Okay, so let's assume our resistance should be somewhere around there. Okay, we have that area there as our resistance. Then yeah, we do have support around this area. Okay, so we are just in between this daily range, okay, this daily level that I'm looking at. So if I go back to my 4 hours time frame on OP, let me see what we have here on OP, guys. All right, so for as long as we don't go above this level, I'll be looking for short. Anything that will make us not to go above 2.8, I'll be looking for short. All right, because currently, if I look at my daily range, we are currently above that daily range. All right, OP has been up. I don't know. OP is just, what exactly is making this thing go this parabolic that is doing right now. Okay, so for OP, if you want, you can just join the join the train. But right now, let's see, if I say go long now, we are looking at from current market price. Let's see, we are looking at around 7% move. It could be something, right? 7% move is something. If we look at this previous high here, going long here to that previous high, okay, you're looking at about 5% plus. All right, so what I can do is to go to the 15 minutes time frame. If I get a pullback, all right, if I get a pullback, or maybe do 5 minutes, right? If I get a pullback, for now, look for long, look for trades to the upside. Okay. So guys, just give me a moment. We'll continue on Telegram. Okay. I need to run. But for Sadiq, look for long on OP. Okay. Look for long on OP, and with the hope that, but wait for a pullback. Okay. Wait for a pullback and look for long for OP, targeting that level of 2.8. Okay. Targeting that level of 2.8. If we get to that level and we don't break through, okay, then we can start looking for short from that area downward. We can start looking for short from that area downward. All right. This is where I have to end it right now. We'll continue on Telegram. If you're not on Telegram, use the link. Now, do me a favor, okay, and smash that like button, guys. Do me a favor and smash that like button. I'll see you guys later in the evening, okay? We can do another stream later in the evening, but for now, I think I have to run, all right? Thank you so much for your time, guys. I hope you'll be able to make good decisions, okay? BTC, I will look at BTC, but right now for BTC, actually, I'm looking for short if we do have a pullback, all right? Back to that 59. I want to see a rejection at 59 for BTC, right? Yeah.